Good morning, students. Today we'll discuss how to make flower basket model using geometrical method. For this, we require one-fourth chart paper, scissor, Fevicol, sketch pen, compass, cutter. Okay, let us start the net diagram for the flower basket model. Now see. First we have to find out the midpoint of the chart paper. Now see this one is the here up to here 30 centimeter and so total 35 centimeter, so 17.5, so it is coming here. Here also 17.5, so I will draw this one. Similarly, the breadth you will see this is 28 centimeter, so it is coming 14, and here also you see 14 centimeter, so I have to draw okay. Now from the center, this is O, center, taking 5 centimeter, so this is 5, taking 12 centimeter as a radius, you have to draw another circle. Okay, so this is 12 centimeter, that means this one 7, so total is 12 centimeter. Okay, now as this one 5 centimeter, so taking this is O, this one A, okay, so from point A taking 5 centimeter, so you have to cut the circumference 6 times. Now you have to join. Now this one, let it be this one B, C, D, E and F. Now join AB, BC, now this one CD, DE, EF and AF or FA, right? Now this is, you have to extend this line, so OB will extend this one, OC, so this one the flower basket, now this one OE, and this one OF. Now taking 1 centimeter, so you have to cut the circumference, the bigger circumference, in this way. So here you can give the name also. Now the A dash, this one B dash, C dash, D dash, E dash and F dash. Now we'll join these two lines. This is actually border. This one I taken 1 centimeter, each 1 centimeter. Now see, you have to cut in one side. Now see this one, suppose I am cutting this one. Next we'll cut this one, this one. Okay, and for handle you have to 2 centimeter side, so here one handle is there. This one handle. Okay, and this one the body of the basket. And this one the base. So now let us cut this one. So this base is over, and this is the handle. We can have another handle. Same thickness. Now see this cut point, we'll cut it like this. So now this cut it. Now you have to fold the sides. So you fold like this. So now is the border. So this way. Now you have to fix this one here inside. Okay, so I have taken 1 centimeter. If I take 2 centimeter, it will look like this. I have taken here 2 centimeter, so it will more elevated. Okay, so this one I taken 1 centimeter, so it will look like this. Now using glue, so this one you have to carefully fix like this. So this will be here. So this is our is ready. Now we can put a handle. So this way you can make your flower basket by changing the border 1 centimeter, 2 centimeter. You can get this much elevation. If you 1 centimeter, if you take border, then you will get like this. Thank you.